In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the price scale in TradingView for a more personalized chart experience. If you're into technical analysis, you know how important it is to have a clear and organized view of your charts. Little adjustments like repositioning the price scale can make a big difference, and this video will guide you through the process, step by step, ensuring you get the most out of your TradingView setup. First, you'll need to locate the price scale on your TradingView chart. Typically, this is displayed as a vertical axis running along the left side of your chart. It displays the current price levels, helping you analyze where the market is heading relative to your indicators or any patterns you've been following. Once you've spotted the price scale, the next step is to hover your cursor over it. As you do this, you'll notice three horizontal dots appear. These dots are your gateway to adjusting the scale settings. Go ahead and click on those three dots. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among them, you'll find Move Scale and Move to Pane. These are the options you'll use to adjust the position of your price scale. Selecting Move Scale allows you to move the price scale to the right side of the chart. This is particularly useful if the left side is too cluttered with indicators or if you simply prefer to view the price scale on the opposite side for your analysis. Alternatively, selecting Move to Pane lets you shift the price scale into a separate pane. This option is ideal if you're juggling multiple indicators and need a clear view of your primary chart area. It helps to declutter your chart, enabling a more straightforward comparison between different data sets you might be working with. Whether you choose to move the scale to the right or shift it into a separate pane, these adjustments can significantly enhance your charting experience. You'll have a more tailored setup that better accommodates your unique analytical needs and preferences. Remember, organizing your space and making your tools work for you is key to effective analysis in TradingView. Don't be afraid to experiment with these positions to find what feels most intuitive for your workflow. With each adjustment, you'll gain a clearer perspective on how market prices align with your trading strategy. This understanding might just be the edge you need in making informed trading decisions. So go ahead and tweak the settings to find what suits you best. Thanks for tuning in today. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on making the most of your TradingView experience. Happy charting and see you in the next video.